In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to Constant Contact. Whether you're a seasoned email marketer or a newbie looking to spruce up your communication with eye-catching designs, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. Let's dive in to transform your HTML templates into professional-looking campaigns with ease. To begin, you'll want to start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once you're in, navigate over to the All Campaigns tab. This is your central hub for managing all your email marketing campaigns, and from here you'll have the capability to create something new. Click on the Create a Campaign button and make sure to select Email from the options presented. This selection will set the stage for your HTML template integration, so it's important that you choose the right type of campaign to match your goals. Next up, you'll see a variety of options for building your email. What you want to do here is click on the Build with HTML option. This is specifically designed for those who have pre-designed templates or HTML code that they'd like to use in their emails. By selecting this option, you initiate the process of integrating your custom HTML design into your Constant Contact email. Now comes the time to paste your HTML code into the editor. You should have your HTML code ready to go beforehand, so simply copy it and paste it into the editor space provided. The editor will offer you a plain area where you can see your HTML code displayed. This is where your creativity and design come to life, transforming text and code into a structured layout for your email. Before you proceed, there's an essential step: previewing. Click on the preview button to get a visual representation of how your email will look once it's sent out. This step is crucial as it allows you to catch any mistakes or misalignments before your email reaches your audience. The preview function replicates how the email will appear in your recipients' inboxes, giving you confidence that everything is just right. Once you're satisfied with how your email looks in the preview, you're almost there. The final step is sending your email. At this stage, you should have reviewed your content, design, and layout, ensuring everything aligns with your expectations. When everything checks out, go ahead and send your email to your selected list of recipients. And there you have it, a straightforward process to import an HTML email template into Constant Contact. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your email campaigns, enhancing the style and effectiveness of your communications. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different designs and templates to see what resonates best with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.